First, prepare your content in Google Docs. For example, you might copy and paste an article or study material into a document. This document will be used as the source for generating quiz questions. Next, install the GPT for Google Forms add-on. You can find it in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click Install, choose your Google account, press Continue, and allow the required permissions. After the installation is complete, open Google Forms. You can either create a new form or use an existing one. Now click the Extensions or Puzzle icon and select GPT for Google Forms, then click Open to launch the tool. To generate questions from your document, copy the text from Google Docs, paste the whole document that contains your content in Given Text Box. From here, you can set the quiz options, such as the difficulty level, the number of questions, and the number of answer choices for each question. For example, you can create a 10-question quiz with 4 answer options per question, where one answer is correct. After selecting your settings, click Create Quiz and wait a few seconds while the questions are generated. Once the quiz appears, review the questions. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the quiz to create a new set of questions. Your quiz questions will instantly be added to the Google form, complete with the correct answers already marked. And that's how you can easily turn content from a Google Doc into a quiz using Google Forms and AI. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.